Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I am actually doing a collaboration with Keto Fit Chef. If you've not been to his channel, he just hit 100 subs. I think right now he's currently at 110 subs. What he does there is he does gym vlogs, he does cooking recipes, he's done like a spicy egg breakfast casserole, he's done jalapeno poppers, he's done all kinds of stuff. His channel is going to be big. I'm telling you this now. And I wanted to collaborate with him much sooner. However, he wanted to be able to bring something to the table. So he didn't want to collaborate with me until he reached 100 subs. He's over 100 subs now, so it is time for our collaboration. So we decided, since there's been so many collaborations lately and everybody's cooking some sort of dish, what have you, we're gonna do a dessert. I've never done a collaboration on a dessert dish, so I don't know exactly what he's making, but I'm going to be making the sugar-free Jello cheesecake, and it is keto friendly. So the kids just heard me and they're excited. What I'm gonna need is 2 packages of sugar-free Jello, 1 cup of boiling water, 3/4 cup cream cheese divided, 1½ cups of whipping cream, a 1/2 cup of pecans, a 1/4 cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of a sweetener, and that's it. And of course you're gonna need some sort of pie pan. You're probably gonna need a chopper to chop your pecans, and you're gonna need some sort of mixing utensil to mix. So it says the first thing that we're gonna want to do is ground. You can't even see my head. The first thing that you're gonna want to do is ground the pecans until they're very fine. So I don't have a food processor. If you do, great. But I'm going to just use this handy dandy chopper. So I'm gonna put my pecans in. I'm gonna start squishing them up. Now I'll be right back. As you can see, they're starting to get chopped up. I'm doing it on the table and just smashing it down. This is where a food processor would come greatly handy, because these gotta be chopped up like really fine.
I want to do that.
Yeah. So here's my pecans. They are far from finely ground. And it says in a frying pan, take a 1/4 cup of almond flour and your finely ground pecans. Mix them together with 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Alright guys, so I got out my tripod. I'm being fancy now. So what I did is I put a wax paper down in here into my spring-loaded pan, and I smashed my pecan almonds, butter, and sugary mixture down in here, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. Alright, now that that's in the refrigerator, it is time to make the filling. Let's do this. You're standing in my sink right now. Just wanted you to know. So next we're gonna need a large mixing bowl. Okay. Got a mixing bowl. And we are going to whip the whipping cream and a 1/4 cup of the cream cheese. And in a large mixing bowl, we're going to whip the whipping cream and a 1/4 cup of the cream cheese until it's stiff. Oh, we need to boil water too. So let's start boiling, how much water? A cup. All right, I got my cup of water. No matter where I go, you guys can't ever see me. All right, so while that boils, we need to mix 1/4 cup of cream cheese. I've been letting this soften. Okay, so 1.5 cups of this. All right, and we're going to mix that until stiff. I'm scared. Oh, it's going everywhere. I'm messy. I hope this isn't one of those things like with eggs when you're trying to make that peaks and it doesn't work unless you're in like a metal bowl. Now that I've made the world's biggest mess, you can see here, that's pretty stiff, right? What's the next step? So now we have the saucepan and we added the Jello packets and it's just like regular. You're just gonna dissolve it all up in that hot water. Hey. So we're gonna put this in the fridge for like an hour. All right, so we put it in the fridge for like an hour and we're gonna see what it tastes like. I'm really hoping that I didn't mess it up by pouring the hot liquid in, which it didn't mention down in the comments until the very, very bottom, that may happen if you were using a hand mixer. Always read all the directions. I'm gonna clean up my mess and I'll see you back in an hour. So I wanted to tell you guys, I did something wrong. I was supposed to add 1/4 cup of cream cheese to that Jello in the hot water, mix that together, then add that into the whipping cream and the cream cheese, but I didn't. So it did get hard. So this is what I'm gonna have. So I will link the correct recipe in the description below. And I'm going to cut myself a slice of this. Now, not real sure what the macros on mine are gonna be because I made it wrong. But the macros on the correct version is like 4 net carbs a slice. So I'm gonna slice this up. Now it's ready. Let's taste it. Heck, that's pretty dang good. Ooh, I like that pecan crust. That's really good, you guys. Highly suggest. Down in the description box below, I will leave the link to this recipe. Try this out if you like pecans. If you don't like pecans, you can always make the crust something else, or you can make it without the crust. But I think this is really good. Try making it the right way. It's probably better. Don't forget to go check out Keto Fit Chef's channel and let them know that I sent you. Bye, guys.